In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie banner to your site on Squarespace. A cookie banner helps you be transparent about data collection and can support compliance with privacy laws. Let's set it up cleanly and make sure it matches your brand and your visitors' expectations. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account and opening your site's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head into Settings. Inside the website section, select Cookies and Data Privacy. This is your central hub for everything related to your cookie notice and visitor consent. Turn on the cookie banner by toggling the option to On. As soon as you enable it, Squarespace prepares a default banner that will appear to new visitors. Think of this as the starting point. We'll refine the content and design so it's clear, accessible, and consistent with your site's look. Next, customize the banner options. You can adjust the design to fit your brand style, including colors and placement, so the notice is visible without being intrusive. Aim for good contrast and readable text. Clear presentation reduces confusion and helps visitors make informed choices quickly. Update the disclaimer text to explain in plain language what your site uses cookies for, such as analytics, performance, or personalization. Keep it concise and link to your full privacy policy for details. Avoid technical or legal jargon if possible, and remember that regulations differ by region. This walkthrough is for setup guidance, not legal advice. Configure your buttons so visitors can accept all cookies or manage their preferences. Label buttons clearly, and make sure each action is easy to understand. Many sites use a primary accept button and a manage or preferences button to let visitors choose categories before consenting to non-essential cookies. Review the saved preferences layout so returning visitors can view or change their choices later. A straightforward, well-labeled layout builds trust and makes it simple for people to update consent without hunting through menus. Finally, explore advanced privacy settings and align them with how your site actually collects data. Ensure the categories and behaviors you select reflect your tools and integrations. The goal is consistency. Your banner should accurately describe what happens behind the scenes. When everything looks and reads the way you want, click Save in the top right corner to apply your functional settings. From now on, new visitors will see your banner and their choices will be remembered. Clear language, accessible design, and truthful descriptions go a long way toward building confidence with your audience.